Looking for the best DeWalt cordless drill to power through your next project? In this video, we dive deep into the best DeWalt cordless drill Reddit users swear by and reveal the best DeWalt drill for home use. Whether you're a DIY newbie or a seasoned pro, our best DeWalt drill comparison chart breaks down the top models to help you choose the perfect fit. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and let's get drilling. Number 1. DeWalt DCD 791D2 Cordless Drill. The DeWalt DCD 791D2 20V Max XR Cordless Drill/Driver Kit is a powerhouse tool designed for precision, durability, and performance in professional and home use. Built with a high-efficiency brushless motor, it delivers up to 57% more runtime compared to traditional brush motors, making it ideal for extended tasks and demanding applications. This compact drill packs serious power into a lightweight design, measuring only 6.9 inches front to back and weighing just 3.5 pounds, making it perfect for tight spaces and overhead work. The drill features a high-speed transmission with 2 speed settings, 0 to 550 and 0 to 2000 RPM, for versatility across various drilling and fastening tasks. The metal half-inch ratcheting chuck ensures strong bit retention, while the ergonomic grip offers maximum comfort and control during long hours of use. What sets the DCD 791D2 apart is its 3-mode LED lighting system, including a spotlight mode with a 20-minute shutoff for uninterrupted work in dark or confined areas. It comes complete with 2 XR 2.0 batteries, a charger, kit box, and belt hook. Everything you need to get started. Whether you're a contractor or a weekend warrior, this cordless drill delivers professional-grade power, convenience, and reliability, backed by DeWalt's 3-year limited warranty. Number 2. DeWalt DCD 777D1 Cordless Drill. The DeWalt DCD 777D1 20V Max Compact Brushless Drill/Driver Asterisk is the ideal choice for professionals and DIYers who need a powerful tool in a compact package. Powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor, this drill delivers more runtime and durability than traditional brush models, making it perfect for extended projects without frequent battery swaps. With a maximum speed of 1,500 RPM and up to 340 unit watts out, UWO, the DCD 777D1 handles tough drilling and fastening tasks with ease. Its 2-speed transmission offers precise control, while the half-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck ensures a secure grip on bits for accuracy and efficiency. The lightweight, 5.06 pounds, and compact design, 7.6-inch front to back, makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, ideal for cabinetry, framing, or overhead jobs. For added convenience, it features a built-in LED light with a 20-second delay, illuminating dark work areas. The ergonomic grip enhances comfort, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. The kit includes a 2.0 XR lithium-ion battery, charger, belt hook, and a durable kit bag. Everything you need to get started right out of the box. Whether you're drilling wood or driving screws, the DCD 777D1 is engineered for consistent, dependable performance. Number 3. DeWalt DCD 996B Cordless Drill. The DeWalt DCD 996B Cordless Hammer Drill is built for professionals who demand power, precision, and durability. Featuring a high-efficiency brushless motor, it delivers up to 75% more runtime than traditional brush models, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. With a 3-speed transmission and speeds up to 2,000 RPM, this drill tackles everything from wood and metal to masonry with ease. Its half-inch ratcheting nitrocarbide metal chuck with carbide inserts ensures superior bit gripping strength for less slippage under pressure. The integrated 3-mode LED light, 20x brighter than previous models, includes a spotlight function with a 20-minute shutoff, perfect for working in tight, dark areas. Designed with comfort in mind, it features a vibration control handle, and at only 4 pounds, it's easy to maneuver without sacrificing strength. Whether you're a contractor or serious DIYer, the DeWalt DCD 996B delivers the rugged performance and long-lasting reliability you expect from DeWalt. Battery and charger sold separately. Number 4. DeWalt DCK 277D2 Cordless Drill. The DeWalt DCK 277D2 Cordless Drill Kit is a powerhouse designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who demand reliability and performance. Featuring a compact and lightweight design, this kit fits easily into tight spaces, making it ideal for versatile applications. The half-inch drill/driver, model DCD 777, delivers a high-performance motor outputting 340 unit watts out, ensuring powerful drilling and driving capability. Paired with the 1/4-inch impact driver, model DCF 787, which offers 1,500 nlbs of torque, this combo effortlessly handles tough fastening jobs with precision. Equipped with two 2.0 lithium-ion batteries, the kit provides extended runtime and quick recharge capability, so you can keep working without interruption. The ergonomic comfort grip enhances control and reduces fatigue during extended use. A bright LED light with a 20-second trigger delay improves visibility in dark or confined spaces, boosting productivity. Quick-release hex chuck allows fast bit changes for seamless transitions. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty and a 90-day money-back guarantee, the DeWalt DCK 277D2 is built to last and ready for any job. Number 5. DeWalt DCD 996P2 Cordless Drill. The DeWalt DCD 996P2 Cordless Drill is a powerful and versatile 20V Max asterisk hammer drill designed to handle demanding jobs with ease. Equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor, it delivers up to 75% more runtime compared to traditional brush motors, ensuring longer work sessions without interruption. This hammer drill features a heavy-duty half-inch ratcheting nitro-carbidized metal chuck with carbide inserts for superior bit gripping strength and durability, perfect for tough drilling tasks. Its advanced 3-speed, all-metal transmission allows you to optimize tool performance for various applications, delivering speeds up to 2,250 RPM and 38,250 BPM for fast drilling in wood, metal, and masonry. The 3-mode LED work light offers 20 times brighter illumination than previous models, with a spotlight mode that includes a 20-minute shutoff for extended visibility in dark or confined spaces. The kit includes two 5.0 XR Li-ion batteries, a charger, a 360-degree side handle, belt hook, and a durable kit box. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty, the DeWalt DCD 996P2 combines power, precision, and portability for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Thanks for watching. If you found this best DeWalt cordless drill guide helpful, smash that like button and comment your favorite model. For more in-depth reviews and the latest tool tips, subscribe now. See you in the next video.